Alright, so this is a video that I've been debating when I should make. Um, but having a conversation with a representative the other day kind of has me wondering, who has privacy it? So, as you all know, we got this bus back in February. Okay? Um, there's been some issues or whatever with it. And normally I'm okay with that. But what I'm not okay with is issues that Bluebird always been having it for years, right? Also, it is pretty cool right here. It was right here. And every times before, I'm just happy with this unit. And sometimes I'm not happy with this unit, because now I do. So, it's pretty cool right here. And it's a pretty cool 2025 model Bluebird Vision. So, yeah. It's pretty cool. And hopefully I can do a driving video here sometime now. So, when I'm 18, I have to do driving video. So, this bus was previously built in the state of Mississippi. Pretty cool Mississippi state spec. LED dome lights, as you expect. There's the padding. Also right here, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool right here. Like I said, it's a 2025 model Bluebird Vision. It's been May of 24. It has been the year of 24. And I do like the Christmas ceiling. A lot of people don't. And it's probably going to be changed for me. Has a same dashboard. It's also pretty cool right here. It still has the old design from a 2011 model, but new stuff. It has a camel seat covers from 9SB19. Has the older steering wheel. It does have an airbag, which obviously I like. There's the back of the seat, which is cloth. Like I said, it's that beautiful camel seat cover from 9SB19. Also, have the newest switches, new stuff. Also, the newest one. Newest AC controls. On the top, like I said, it has a wall-mounted AC front and rear. Like I said, it's that beautiful dash AC right here. That's what I love. And I don't like strobing LED. But I like incandescent lights. Also has the newest switches from the factory. It's pretty cool right here. Also, it's pretty cool right here. Also, pretty cool bus. Right here. It's pretty cool. And also, like I said, I'm happy with the unit. It's pretty cool. There's a beautiful new dashboard in the 2019 or 18 model years. It's pretty cool. And even in 17 models. New gear shifter. There's a trash can. So that I can put trash stuff. It's pretty cool. New storage compartment. Pretty cool capacity. I'm just happy with seeing it. Like I said, it's the best videos. And also, so it's pretty cool right here. It's also very pretty cool right here. Right here. Now, one thing Bluebird does offer the newest ones, heater. The heater on the bus is amazing. You know, like I said, the heater is always amazing. But there's just so many things they can do to make this better. Why is that stairwell so tight? They can make it wider. It's wider and all-American. Why is there not problem on the Vision? They can redesign this. Bluebird said they were coming out this brand new redesigned Vision in 2022. Nothing changed, driver-wise, except for the switches, the smart switches, which kind of sucks, even with the smart switches, because now I can't move my switches around. If I move my switches, I can't just move this one to here or this one to here. I can move this whole switch bank from here to here, or from here to here. Why? Why had to move the entire switch bank? It's pretty cool. It's the newest one in different specs. I don't understand. The radio that Bluebird uses now. Decent radio. It's already trying to fail. And the volume has been jammed. Also, it's pretty cool. It got stuck on PA, the PA mic. It's pretty cool right here. Also, I'm not going to fix stuff because I'm not a fixing guy. There's a storage compartment. But it still rattles. All switches does rattle. Like I said, I'm happy with this unit. But the only thing that I really dislike about this bus is the fact that I have strobing LEDs, which I don't like. It's pretty cool. But I like incandescent better. Because incandescent is much better, so it can easily burn out. I like the sound off version, but this sound off version of the incandescent lights, and it does have LED outside light and step-well light. I do like solid LEDs. There's a new Bluebird hood from a 2008 model in 2015 and 2015 model. It's a cross arm. Like I said, it has a beautiful LED headlights that made it from a factory. There's a air ride. Some buses have spring ride. Number 27. Also, it's very cool. Also, it is pretty cool. Has a fender mounted turn signal. New Bluebird grill. New Bluebird grill. Also, it has a beautiful LED headlights. Yeah. So, yeah. So, has the LED outside light step light. Air operated door, which I like that. Going look at the side of the bus. There's a wheel, diesel fuel, and make our way to the back. 27. Also, they're actually pretty cool. It's pretty cool. A new air vents. They deleted the electric box. Oh, they've deleted the electrical panel door. So that we don't have any on the Bluebirds. Only in International and Thomas. Look at that beautiful LED headlights from a 2026 model year. Yeah. So close the door. The door is pretty good for having this bus. Yeah. So, yeah. It's beautiful LED headlights. Like I said, there's a new paint. Like I said, there's a gripes about my Bluebird Vision. And it's also pretty cool. Yep, they're actually pretty cool. It's a 2025 model Bluebird Vision with a new owner. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.